in the heart of a seed. This is seed. Seed we will breathe in the soil and water. Water this and grow the slide. In the heart of a seed, deep, so deep, a dear little plant lay fast asleep, wakes in the sunset and creep to the light, wakes in the low voice of the raindrops bright, the little plant heart, and it rose to see what the wonderful or outside world might be. See. Thank you, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Srushti Asugar. I am studying in 3rd standard GA. My school name is Sri Sharana Basaveshwara Residential Public School. My topic is taking care of our belongings. It is important that we should take care of our personal belongings so that they can last longer. We should keep our personal belongings in orderly manners, that is arranging them neatly in appropriate places. Example, clothes in wardrobes, shoe in shoe rack, books in school bag, etc. We shouldn't throw waste on the road. We should keep our personal belongings clean at all times. Example, washing clothes immediately after use with soap and water. If we keep our proper place, we can save our time and money. People will have good impression of us and we will liked by many people. So for today, we learned how to take care of our things. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Simran. I am studying in class 3rd M1. My topic is about shapes. There are two types of shapes. First one, plain shapes. Second one, solid shapes. Plain shapes are circle, triangle, square, rectangle. Now I will explain one by one. Circle, it do not have sides, corner and diagonal. Next one is about triangle. It has 1, 2, 3 corners, 1, 2, 3 sides. Next one is about square. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. All of you can see square has 2 diagonals. Next one is about rectangle. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. All of you can see rectangle also has 1, 2 diagonals. And my next topic is about solid shapes. They are cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. Now I will explain one by one. First one is cube. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 surfaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges. And next one is about cuboid. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 surfaces and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges. And next one is about cylinder. It has 2 flat surfaces, 1 curved surface. Next one is about cone. It has 1 flat surface and one curd surface. And next one is about sphere. It has one curd surface. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Nandini. I am studying in 3rd standard GB. My topic is shapes. There are 2 types of shapes, plane shapes and solid shapes. There are 4 types of plane shapes: square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Properties of square. Square has 4 sides, 4 corners, 4 straight lines. Rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners, 4 straight lines. In this shape, two opposite lines are long and another 2 opposite lines are short. Triangle. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners, 3 straight lines. Circle. Circle has no sides and no corners. It is made up of curved lines. Properties of solid shape. Different types of solid shape: cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder. Properties of cube. Cube has 12 sides and 8 corners and 6 surfaces. Cuboid. Cuboid has 12 sides and 8 corners. Cone. Cone has 1 corner and no sides. Cylinder. Cylinder has 2 edges and no corners. Identification of diagonals and corners. Diagonal. The line joining the 2 opposite corners is called a diagonal. In this shape, 2 diagonals and 4 corners. Draw diagonal for the small square. Here is a created big square. In square, 2 diagonals are created. There are 4 squares are created. There are 4 triangles are created. Look around your think room. Which solid shape is the room cuboid shape? Identification the solid shapes of the famous building: sphere, cylinder. Thank you.
I am Vishal. I am studying for 3rd level class. Subject science. Topic board. School SBI Public School. I am showing the picture of a ostrich. This is a beak. This is a head. This is a neck. This is a neck. This is a eyes. This is a body. This is a tail. Those are wings. Those are legs. I am telling you about a ostrich. Ostrich. This bird is called flightless bird. Ostrich bird cannot fly. Ostrich will use their wings to balance while walking and running. They have very strong legs and can run faster than leopards. It is very beautiful bird, ostrich. Ostrich are the largest bird living on earth. They grow taller than a man. Next topic is peacock. I am showing the picture of a peacock. This is a beak. Those are eggs. This is a head. This is a neck. This is a body. This is a tail. Those are wings. Those are legs. I am telling you about a peacock. Peacock. The peacock is a national bird. It is very beautiful feathers. It are found in India. The male bird is called as peacock and female bird is called as peahen. It is very beautiful bird. Peacock.
Hi everyone, welcome to Chrysalis Day. My name is Khushi Karke. I am studying in 3rd standard GA. My school name is Sri Sharana Basaveshwara Residential Public School. I would like to speak few words on Look Beyond activity on the topic whether I would like to live in cage or an open area
standard began section. Today I am going to tell you about few lines of evolution of humans. In that lesson, today I am going to tell you about hunting and gathering. As you can see, here are some pictures which are grapes, meat, tusk, fish, potato, carrot, tomato, fur. Which I have circled are the things that early humans got from hunting, which I have taken that early humans gathered. Hunting is the practice of tracking and killing wild animals are using simple weapons so that they can be used as food and their skin as clothing. Gathering is the practice of collecting wild fruits, berries, nuts and vegetables for food by early humans. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning. Welcome to Chrysalis Day. My name is Srishti Dhanraj Guttara. I am studying in 3rd standard G. My school name is Sri Sharnavasveshwara Residential Public School. My subject is social. My topic is evolutions of human. Human's basic needs is food, clothes and shelter are the basic needs of humans. Because that we cannot live. Humans' basic need is food, clothes, shelter. I explain early humans food, shelter, clothes. Modern human food, shelter, clothes. Early human food is they ate fruits and raw meat. And modern man we eat cooked food. Early man live in caves, shelter. Modern man live in houses. Early man they wore leaves and animal skin. Modern man we wore cotton, silk clothes. Early man lives in caves. See, this is cave and some years gone and they are living in huts. This is called cave. There are more trees, more animals, more flowers. Hut, this is hut. Early humans. Hunting is a killing of wild animals. Early human hunting and animals and gathering food. Gathering is collecting of wild fruits. Early human discovered fire by
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶಮಿತಾ. ನಾನು 3ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆ ಹೆಸರು ಶ್ರೀ ಶರಣ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಸಿಯಲ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಕಲಬುರಗಿ. ನಾವು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಹಬ್ಬಗಳನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಹಬ್ಬನ ಈ ಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಜನವರಿ 14ರಂದು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಇದು ರೈತರ ಹಬ್ಬ, ಹೋಗಿ ಹಬ್ಬ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಎಳ್ಳು ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಈ ಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನು ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೋಗಿ ಹಬ್ಬದಿಂದ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೊಸ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಸಂಬಳ ಪಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಂಕಿತ್. ನಾನು 3ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಎಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಶಾಲೆ ಕಲಬುರಗಿ. ಜಾತ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೆನಪು ಬರುವುದು ಊರ ಜಾತ್ರೆ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ. ಈ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಜೊಳ್ಳು ಕುಣಿತ ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನವನ್ನು ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. ಪುರಾಣ ಕಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ವೇಷ, ಕುಣಿತ, ಮಾತು ಹಾಗೂ ಹಿಮ್ಮೇಳದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆಡಿ ತೋರಿಸುವ ಕಲೆ ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ, ಬಯಲಾಟ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ರಂಗಸ್ಥಳ, ಹಿಮ್ಮೇಳ, ಮುಮ್ಮೇಳ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಸಂಗ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಬಣ್ಣದ 4 ಕಂಬಗಳಿಂದ ಸಿಂಗರಿಸಿರುವ ಎತ್ತರವಾದ ಜಾಗವೇ ರಂಗಸ್ಥಳ. ರಂಗಸ್ಥಳದ ಹಿಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಳಿ ಅಂಗಿ, ಬಿಳಿ ಪಂಚೆ, ಕೆಂಪು ಮುಂಡಾಸು ಧರಿಸಿ ಕುಳಿತಿದ್ದರಲ್ಲ ಅವರೇ ಹಿಮ್ಮೇಳದವರು. ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನದ ಮೂಲಕ ಹೇಳುವ ಕಥಾಭಾವವೇ ಪ್ರಸಂಗ. ಪಾತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ವೇಷ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಭಿನಯಿಸುವವರೇ ಮುಮ್ಮೇಳದವರು. ಈ ಕಲೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಕರಾವಳಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಾದ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಉಡುಪಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಕಂಡುಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.